Welcome to the second quiz on general studies. Let us see the first question. Karewa soils are formed due to the deposition by, we have options: A. Glaciers, B. Rivers, C. Waves, D. Winds. And the right option is B. Rivers. These Karewa deposits have different soil and sediments such as sand, silt, clay, shale, mud, lignite. These are very useful for agriculture and horticulture activities. These Karewa formations are useful for cultivation of saffron, the local variety of saffron in Kashmir Valley. These are mostly available there. Let us see the second question. A person registered under MGNREGA is guaranteed. We have options: A. 150 days of work, B. 125 days of work, C. 175 days of work, D. 100 days of work. Right option is 100 days of work. MGNREGA abbreviation is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. So it was in 2005, the central government made a law implementing right to work in around 625 districts in India. Under this act, all those who are in need of work in rural areas are guaranteed 100 days of work in a year. If the government fails to provide the work, the people are given unemployment allowances. MGNREGA, initially it was NREGA, National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Let us see the third question. The first open university in India is established in Dash. We have options: A. Ahmedabad, B. Hyderabad, C. Allahabad, D. New Delhi. And the right option is Hyderabad. It is the Andhra Pradesh Open University, APOU. It was established in 1982. Now it is being called as Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Open University, Dr. BRAOU. It was the first full-fledged open university in India. Next established is IGNOU, Indira Gandhi National Open University. Let us see the next question. Chouri-chora incident took place in the year Dash. We have options: 1920, 1922, 1925, 1930. Right option is B. 1932. It is very important incident because on 4th February 1922, participants of this non-cooperation movement clashed with the police and opened a fire in the police station. This incident resulted in death of 22 policemen around and 3 citizens at Chouri-chora in Gorakhpur district of Uttar Pradesh. Let us see the next question. 5. Who propounded the theory of drain of wealth? We have options: A. Dadabhai Naoroji, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. M.G. Ranade, D. Balagangadhara Tilak. The right option is A. Dadabhai Naoroji. In 1867, Dadabhai Naoroji put forward the drain of wealth theory, in which he stated that the British was completely draining India. This theory is described as the constant flow of national wealth from India to the England, for which India was not getting any economic or commercial material return. Let us see the next question, sixth one. Who proposed the term ecosystem? We have options: A. Ritter, B. Orden, C. Ernest Haeckel, D. Tansley. The right option is Tansley. Arthur Tansley. In 1935, he coined the term ecosystem. He described ecosystem to fundamentally overlap, interlock, and interact with one another over space and time. Let us see the next question, seventh one. Name of Indian Research Center in Antarctica. We have options: A. Haridwar, B. Dakshin Gangotri, C. Abova, D. Mendel Polar Station. The right option is Dakshin Gangotri. Yes, Dakshin Gangotri was the first scientific base station of India, situated in Antarctica. It is located at a distance of 2,500 kilometers from the South Pole. It is named after Dakshin Gangotri glacier. Later in 1988 to 89, it was abandoned and submerged in ice. It was then succeeded by Maitri, another research station which was set up in a moderate climatic zone at the distance of 90 kilometers and made operational in 1990. And for your information, river Godavari is known as Dakshin Ganga. We have another research station in Antarctica itself, which is known as Bharati. They research on actually the age of the Antarctic ice and the speed of its melting. Let us see the next question. Eighth one. The process of converting gas into liquid is called. We have options: A. Melting, B. Vaporization, C. Freezing, D. Condensation. The right option is condensation. Yes, condensation is opposite of evaporation. It is crucial to water cycle because it is responsible for formation of clouds. We have other examples like morning dew on the grass, like water, what you are seeing in the picture, water droplets on the outer surface of this chilled water bottle. We shall see the next question. Ninth one. Who was known as Frontier Gandhi? We have options: Muhammad Ali Jinnah, B. Abdul Ghaffar Khan, C. Abul Kalam Azad, D. Muhammad Ali. The right option is B. Abdul Ghaffar Khan. He was a Pakistani politician and spiritual leader known for his non-violent opposition and lifelong pacifism, like Mahatma Gandhi. He founded an organization called Khuda-e-Khidmat-yar, a non-violent resistance against British. He launched Peshawar Satyagraha on 23rd April 1930. So these reasons made him known as Frontier Gandhi. Let us see the last question of this quiz. 10th one. National Commission for Women was established in the year dash. We have options: A. 1992, B. 1993, C. 1991, D. 1996. Right option is 1992. National Commission for Women, NCW. It is the state statutory body of Government of India. It is generally concerned with advising the government on all policy matters affecting women. Presently, Ms. Rekha Sharma is the chairperson of this NCW. That's all for the today. Let us meet in the next quiz. Thanks for watching.